In today's video, I am going to teach you how to count number of employees in Excel. This is a simple and useful formula when you have a list of employee records and you want Excel to tell you how many entries are in that list. In this example, the count is based on a column of numeric employee ID values because the count function works specifically with numbers. Start by clicking on the empty cell where you want the total number of employees to appear. This should be a blank cell outside your list, so the result is easy to read and does not interfere with your data. Taking a moment to place the result in a clear location will make your worksheet easier to understand later. Next, type equals count open parentheses into that cell. The formula should begin like this, equals count followed by an opening parentheses. This tells Excel that you want to count numeric values in a selected range. If your employee list uses number-based IDs, this is a reliable way to total them quickly. Now click and drag your mouse to highlight the range in the column that contains those numeric IDs. For example, if your employee IDs start in cell B2 and end in B50, highlight that section of the column. As you select the range, Excel will place those cell references directly into the formula for you. This helps prevent typing mistakes and ensures you are counting exactly the cells you want. Once the correct range is selected, type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the total and display the number of numeric entries in that range. If your employee ID column contains only valid numeric IDs and no extra numbers, the result will represent your employee count. One important thing to remember is that count only includes cells with numbers. If any IDs are stored as text instead of numbers, they will not be included in the total. So if your result looks lower than expected, it is a good idea to check whether some cells are formatted differently. That is the full process. Click the result cell, enter the count formula, select the numeric ID range, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. It is a quick method that makes tracking employee totals much easier in Excel, and that is all there is to it.